Morning, y'all. It is last morning of the cruise. We're getting off the ship. Okay. We are getting off the ship. What the hell's up with my camera? Yeah. Getting off the ship. Check out in like 30 minutes, but we can get off the ship by 3 o'clock. Right now it's 8:30 a.m. But I'm gonna go try to swim in the Basel River, or the Rhine River in Basel. Then we drive to Tunsi, near Interlaken. We drive through Switzerland today. Next day we're gonna train to Lugano, and Lago di Como, Milano, unfortunately. So yeah, let's get to it. Guten Morgen from Switzerland. Yeah, we're in Basel right now. We're in Basel, Switzerland. I guess we're about to get on the road to there's one guy about to swim. We're about to get on the road to Tunsi, near Interlaken, Switzerland. But yeah, this is that. Very nice area. Alright, I'll see you sometime soon. Ciao. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Hello from Bern, Switzerland. Gonna go swimming here. It's a little bit nicer than Basel, honestly. Look at this drone view though. Absolutely crazy. That's live right now. So I'll get the drone sky. We're gonna go into the old city for a bit, talk them into it. They were gonna skip this whole city, which is ridiculous to me. But yeah. So we're in Bern right now. I will probably take another clip, show you a few photos, drone shots from Bern. There you go. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Ich hatte gerne die Kreise Rösti und ein Wasser bitte. Also Kreise Rösti? Danke. We are in Bern. Finally gonna swim in the river. So, get the bag here. Throw the bag off. Try to hold the GoPro and do a front flip off. That's the goal, yeah. So then we're gonna float down the river to the park I walked up from, like maybe a mile or so. And then unfortunately we have to go, so we're gonna float down once. We're gonna go to Tunsi. Oh, we did it. Tschüss, Ben Park. Ja. Oh. Tschüss, Deutschland. Schweizerland. Ne, wir in Bern. Ja. This is awesome. We just jumped off the bridge out there. Now we float down to the park. Oh, this is great. I might have to move to Bern for a while. Swiss life, ja. Alles gut, alles gut. Alles tschüss. Hallo, wir are on a Ferris wheel in Schweiz. Very nice. Ja, sunset. Das ist cool. Tschüss. Guten Morgen from Schweiz. Still in Thun. We're leaving right now. They just went down in the lobby, the parents. But there's a little view we got. It's pretty cool. Ja, alles gut, ja, alles gut in Schweiz. I'm gonna go for a quick swim in Thun right now in either the river or the lake area. Then we drive Tundersee, Interlaken, Lauterbrunnen, Grindelwald, one or two other places. Then we get to Lugano tonight. And then I start to get into that Italian flair for the rest of the trip. But I do really like Schweiz. Bern is probably my favorite city in Schweiz now. But we're gonna head out. I'm gonna swim. I'll show you a clip from that after this clip. But yeah, tschüss. Guten Morgen. Schweiz. Tschüss. Hallo from Schweiz. We're like halfway between Thun and Interlaken, right? The water here, this Wasser, is very blue. Very blue. Yeah. Taking some pictures. Yeah, we are halfway. I was trying to tell him we should have taken the road along that end of Jinsey. It's just a bit more scenic of the road. But it's alright. Excuse to come back here myself and do it. We get to Lauterbrunnen, Grindelwald, somewhere else than Lugano. So yeah, tschüss. Hello from Schweiz, Interlaken. Yeah. We have made it to Interlaken. Unfortunately, not gonna really have any time here. Dad wants to get to Lauterbrunnen, which sounds nice, so we'll do that. I'd love to swim here though. Wow. That's wunderschön. Wunderschön. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. And paragliders probably can't see them. They're like out there. Yeah. But we are going to make our way to Lauterbrunnen now. So, tschüss. So we're in Italian-speaking Switzerland now. My Italian is pretty rusty, as my German is, as well, as you can tell. But Lago di Maggiore. Actually, no, not Lago di Maggiore. That is, I presume, Lago di Lugano, but I actually don't know the name of that. Like, I see it in the morning. It's all lit up with the lights. It's quite nice. Like an hour or two ago. But we're at the hotel here. Nice little hotel. Tomorrow. Right now I have a train booked for 9:30 a.m., but we're going to try to see if we can push it out a little bit. So I'd like to see Lugano, right? So, presuming that gets pushed out a bit, wake up, drop the rental car off by 10 a.m., see Lugano a little bit, then we hop on the train and go to Como, Lago di Como, Italia, and then we are, I forgot the name of the hotel, a very nice hotel for 3 nights. Go to Bellagio, have a rental car, drive around the lake, very nice, and then from there we I presume we train or we bus to Milano. Stay a night there, then we fly home, unfortunately. So yeah, I don't know what vlog we're at by now. I've just been videoing. I haven't kept track of where I'm going to start and end each video. But, whatever video this is, that is today wrapped up, and I'll see you tomorrow. Buonanotte. Ciao.